Our third episode is about the sister of our main character named Success. Her birthday is on the way. Her sister Kathy has many friends that will go to the birthday party. Success decided to buy expensive makeup for his sister's birthday because he knows she likes it. His sister always teases him because he is still single even though he is good-looking, with a stable job and is the right age to marry. Sometimes, Kathy introduces him to some of her friends to find a girl to marry, but Success is not interested in one of her friends. After a few days, the birthday party arrives. Success and Kathy's friends gave Kathy gifts. But 3 of the gifts are the same and it's all makeup. Kathy has an idea and asks Success that why don't you give your gift for me to others? Since I already received 2 makeups, if you give that to me it's going to be too much. Also, you're still single. Why don't you give that to the girl that you like? You can post on social media that you are giving free expensive makeup. Tell them that I received 3 of them on my birthday, and that is too much for me. Success posts it on social media and many of the girls message him. Success chooses the girl that she really likes and her name is Julie. Julie is a professional volleyball player. Beautiful, kind, smart, tall, and athletic. Also, Success loves to play basketball, that's why they can easily get close.